Hello everyone. You don't need to live in France to eat snail. Come to Vietnam. They are plentiful and fresh and delicious. Today I'm making a dish with them. So please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigoncook Travel. I am Saigoncook. Here I'm sharing what I know, so please subscribe to show your support. Thank you. This is aromatic ingredients. You need to have garlic and shallots, peel them and mince them. The way I find it easy to mince them, that use a heavy cleaver, smash them down, and then you can mince through them. You do the same with shallot. Better that you chop it in half so that it don't jumping around. So here you go. You have minced garlic and shallot. Put that in a bowl and add a seasoning like seasoning powder, fish sauce, sugar, salt, pepper. This is depends on your preference and your family, your taste. You can use MSG or pork or chicken powder or knorr, everything if you like to put in. So mine is a little simple. So I mix them around now, and the next thing I add the ground pork. You can use ground pork or minced pork. You mince it by yourself. When you mince the pork by yourself, the texture is a lot better. But I don't have time and patience to do that. So I use ground pork, half a kilo. So I just went to the backyard and picked up some betel leaves. I use this about 5-6 leaves. They are very tender. I pick up the first and the second leaves because they are the best, the youngest they are. So after that, you add snail and mix on them up. So I have 300 grams of snail meat. In Vietnam you can buy snail meat. They already extracted from the shells, and you went ahead and wash them. Normally you soak them in waste rice water. It will be very clean. So after you mix them on up, you can go ahead and make rolls. These are betel leaves, but they are older, so that they have better holding the meat and the stuffing. And remember, you can see I leave the stem and use that stem to secure the roll. You continue doing so until you have all of your stuffing out of them. Now I use air fryer to grill my roll. First I put some oil, garlic oil by the way, and then I spread the rolls all over and sprinkle some garlic oil on top again, and I place the tray into the air fryer. You can see they are sitting neatly there, and you use the temperature 170 degrees Celsius and grill it for 6 minutes. During mid-high at 3 minutes you can flip them, but you don't need to. After 6 minutes they are done, and you continue doing so until all of your rolls are grilled. I must say, when you are grilling like this, they are smelling so good, and that is the indicator to tell you that your rolls are ready or almost ready. So if you're not sure about your temperature of your air fryer, you can use 160 degree also 6 minutes, and then you adjust it accordingly. My air fryer is better for 170 degree, and that's it. Ta-da! You have on betel leaves to serve. Now I will eat them with the rice noodles, fresh rice noodles. So I'm continue doing some other topping, like this grilled meat. I marinate with the same marinade before for the stuffing. You let it marinate for about 15 minutes, and then you either uh, grill them on a hot skillet or in the air fryer. After that, I remove and chop five into 5 threads, just like you make a bee. Now another component for my fresh rice noodle is crispy spring rolls. So this is what I'm doing. This one I store-bought it, but I have a lot of recipes in my channel about making spring rolls. You can take a reference on my channel and watch them. So now I prepare the bowl of fresh rice noodle. Underneath is noodle. On the side is a fresh vegetables and cucumbers. And this is the meat that I talked you making earlier. And the crispy rolls are ready, and the betel leaves rolls are ready. And that's it. I sprinkle with fish sauce dip, and ta-da! It's so good. I invite you to taste it with me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.